Dulo ng ano.
Crunchy. Mas nauna yung dessert. Because my order will take 15 minutes. Hi!
Wifi dito lang.
Hi guys, vlog takeover. Happy first vlog. Hindi daw naka-HD. One more take. Okay guys, part 2, HD version. The vlogger.
First time vlog.
And the real vlogger. Because I do vlog, like for real. Yes, may secret tayo na doon.
May games. One. Galing yan sa kilikili niya.
Bye guys! Aamay niyo yan. Bye guys!
George Michael Johnson. Badminton second. John Robin Mendoza and Jonah Gabriel Gonzaga with their coach Angelito Bermejo.
We're doing a bag haul. Kasi I have nothing to do. I wanna make brownies later, but I'm still not sure. We just got back from... Saan yun? Sa Triangle. Kasi pinatawag kami ni Mayor. Lahat ng mga nag-medal nung Clara. Double mint na strawberry. I tried this sa Baguio. Cliche siya. Kasi strawberry. Wallet. Na walang laman. I got Happy Skin sunscreen. Tapos power bank. This is Anchor. It's MagSafe. And then 2 star clips. It's cute kasi. Happy Skin Lip Mallow. In the shade Chai Latte. More money. I'm rich now. Then I got my medals for Clara. This is... I'll show the pretty side. This is 4x1 medley. We were second there. 4x50 medley naman. Ay, 4x50. We did 4x1 and 4x50 medley. I got... Yes. And then I got individuals. 1 back. And then 2 free. And then 50 free. Jisoo Life na electric fan. Wala na. This is my bag. It's a dumpling bag with alcohol. That's it. A bake. I haven't tried this recipe yet, and the recipe's on my phone, and it's a new one. Bake brownies. Kasi I ate like dense brownies sa Kenny Rogers, and it's like a little one lang. So I wasn't wowified. I need more, so I'll make more. But it's a new recipe, and it requires heat for the like cocoa powder ata. Yeah, I'll bake. I got the ingredients na. I have unsalted butter, sugar, cocoa powder, salt, and flour. So I hope it's good. Maybe I'll check in when I'm done mixing all of this. Oh yeah, I have sugar in the freezer. Kasi sabi, two large frozen eggs. So they're here. I think they're frozen now. Okay, I'll start now. See you in a bit. I finished it now. It's like that thick, and then I'm gonna put it in the oven na. This has been preheating since I started kanina. It looks okay naman. I didn't add baking powder to this, so it won't inflate. I'm gonna add it in now. I hope I use that talaga. Because if I don't, it's May 14. It's a Tuesday. Yesterday I didn't pasok kasi we were excused. Pinatawag kami ni Mayor. But I told you that already. So we're at school now. Wala pang tao. Like, kasi it's early pa. I will put taste test kala said yung brownies na I made yesterday.
Bakit pag Drew hindi ka tumitingin? Pag Benedict tumitingin?
Hey!
Nandito ako. Bakit yan? Family friendly yung vlog. Okay. Wala na, sikat na ako na yun.
What? Ma'am, hello ka. I'm so tired. I made brownies.
Kala ko uli.
Oh, game. So yun na din, dinalan ko.
Sorry, guys!
I just nagpo-vlog ako.
Oh, perfect na brownies mo. Hindi na masyado
Okay lang siya.
Yeah! I like it. Pa-egg na.
Fudgy nga siya, hindi siya dense. Rate it 10 out of 11.
Malambot pa.
Sim. Alam mo ba't malambot? Ganun ko. Lasang ano yan?
Kaya pala maalat, guys. Uy. Daklap. Ito na. Thank you po.
What? Okay. Okay.
Saan kayo mamaya?
Akala ko ba before pisa, ay after pisa. Eh, hindi pa naman magpipisa ah. Ano pag may bumili? Hindi mo sa tayo. Hindi sila bibili ko. Okay, ito na. Ay! Ayan. Ano yung lightsaber? Oo. It's a lightsaber. Lasang blue lemonade. Dalawa binili nyo?
Ang sarap ito.
Masarap yung strawberry. Lasang blue lemonade. Masarap yung strawberry. Ito, lasang blue lemonade. Say hi to the vlog.
Mas masarap yun?
Ano ba?
Ito nga. Medyo lasang gamot yan, Pat.
Lasang blue lemonade na.
Na, like, at kulang sa water.
Yeah.
What's up guys? Unboxing. Eh, saman.
Kaya laging box ang plastic.
But
Unplastic.
yun, family friendly yung YouTube channel ko.
Unplastic guys. Hindi ko nilibre na kami kasi lalasunin niya kami.
Deliver ko talaga kayo para may makontent.
I think this is 3 inches.
Demote nyo.
Too small.
Rate ko to.
I rate it.
This is a 5 out of 10.
I rate it score.
Hindi siya masarap plus ang blue lemonade.
I'll rate this yung score ko sa Filipino.
Ito parang, ito ang cool kasi
25.
layer.
Out of 40.
Ang tagal niya
mo.
maubos.
Nauutot na ako. Supay tayo.
Kawawa ka naman kasi.
Ang awesome niya. Ang awesome.
I'll rate it, sa drip out of 10. Mas edible pa. Nag-iba na kulay ng bibig mo, alam mo nilalamig.
Dapat tinapon.
Doon.
Guys, ang pagod yung feeling ko magkakaklase tayo the next year.
Hana?
Sa Hilux eh.
Magano ako? Mag-gear haul ako. Arena. Cobra ata to yung mahaba. Tapos, Decathlon. Jolene.
Ayun Parang
DMC Elite Max.
wala akong lakas.
And then, tier medium na paddle. I don't know what series. Basta tier. I'm vlogging. You wanna say hi?
Ah, so scary! Ah, kakatakot!
Ay, ako ba yun? OA. Trisha, say hi. Say hi.
Hey vlog! Hey vlog! Go uste! Go uste!
Go, Steph.
Bakit ka namin naka-yellow?
Wala kang tao.
Hi. Hi guys. We're getting lunch. It's me 7. 17. It's me 17. Ready na siya mangulog. Is this
No,
hearts?
mahirap
Is
mahulog.
this hearts?
Yeah. Sobrang ganda nga eh.
Yeah.
Tinaw ka pa mangurat ako.
Yeah,
Ako yung
'cause
masasaktan.
It's acrylic ba?
Ako yung masasaktan.
I don't hurt me.
Pero kaya ko lang din.
Ay.
Ay, di ba ka ano?
Oh, it's done already. Bye.
Yeah.
Ang cute.
Sarap.